Hi, good afternoon. My name is Alvin Serrano Bangtol from Philippine Christian University, Senior Science at School of Manila. I reside at Unit 411, Aurora Building, 1655, Merced Street, Paco, 1007, Manila. I stand at 5 feet and 6 inches. I have a total weight of 120 pounds. And I would like to apply for a job of computer assistant at your company, B. San Diego, Fisheries Incorporated, Tichague, Manila. I know that your company stands a high ground in the business management and it pursues me to apply there. I know I may lack in education attainment, but I'm a fast learner and I have patience that will require me to educate myself more. Thank you for your time, and if you wish to have references, you may contact Ebenezer Ben Cordova, attorney at law, and he resides at Unit 3004 at the West of Ayala, Buendia, Makati City. And also, Ms. Elisa de Chavez, which she resides at Unit 303 in Etiague, Manila also. Thank you for your time and God bless.